Hey there, and welcome to EchoSpeak English. I am so happy you found this channel and decided to check it out.
I started this whole thing with a really simple idea. I wanted to create a place where learning English felt, well, easy, with lessons that are super clear, actually useful, and, fun.
Now, I get it. Fluency can sound like this huge, far-off mountain to climb, right? But here's our promise to you. We make that climb totally manageable. We're going to break it all down into small, practical steps that are all about real communication, not just, memorizing a bunch of boring grammar rules. So what's the secret? How are we going to get you there? Well, it's all about our step-by-step path. It's simple and it's clear. Our whole method is designed to build your confidence as you go. First up, we dive into real-life conversations, so you're learning the kind of English people actually speak every day. Then we pull out the most important vocabulary and phrases from those chats and really nail the pronunciation. And finally, this is the best part. We put it all together to work on your listening and speaking, because that's the key, right? That's what makes you feel truly confident.
So you might be asking yourself, okay, but is this channel really for me? That's a great question. Let's see. Honestly, you are in exactly the right place, whether you are a complete beginner just starting out, or maybe you're an intermediate speaker who just feels kind of stuck. We're here for anyone who wants to speak with confidence. Maybe it's for your career, or for that trip you've been dreaming about, or maybe it's just for you, for your own personal growth.
And I really want you to think of EchoSpeak English as more than just lessons. It's your place to grow. It's a supportive community where you can build up your skills, build up that confidence, all at your own pace. Because learning a language is a journey, and you definitely don't have to do it all by yourself. All right, it is time. Time to start speaking with real confidence. This is where your journey stops being just a wish and starts becoming a reality. And it starts right now. And when you join us, you're not just watching some lessons. You are becoming part of this amazing global community. Learners from all over the world who are on the very same path as you are. So here's my personal invitation to you. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's start this incredible journey together. We're going to build your fluency. We're going to build your confidence, not overnight, but one single sentence at a time. I seriously can't wait to see you in our first lesson.